Hai khazani ta khoktai bu khoksong tai jotono no lamsogo Kokborok mi channel hani hai tini belai ke interesting topic nor bai share khlainani hinai o video clips no slamjao kha tai tini ni topic hinke how to avoid copyright in YouTube YouTube bahike copyright inglai tai copyright bahike basinai baike avoid khlai tongnai aboni tini video o video clips slamjaka tai belai ke kha khlaio YouTuber rok helpful ngjanai belai ke sajaknai tai video slamui tongnai YouTuber creators rok norok belai ke helpful ngjaknai hinai ang o video kha khlai tongo tai hai puila no sanamu sungo jodi no o video ni title ba o video no norok sajagi tongkha hangke like runani tapok di puila no sai runai tamni hangke like tabuk no riya hangke olo video naimang pogui thangi mano amon bagi like runani tapok di o video no tamni hangke kahamke topic tini kahamke srungjaknai tai kahamke sungsaiman lainai amon bagui norok nai tongdi o video no puilan simi paithak jora tai hai o channel no norok subscribe khlaya kungke o channel no subscribe khlai rui bell icon no sinui olo sinui rudi tamni hingke subscribe khlai bell icon no sinui olo sinui rukhe jefru amtui hai helpful ba naithotok videos o channel o upload khlaijago norok afruno notification manama faidi hingke o video no chenglayam actually what is copyright in YouTube copyright tamo YouTube sung kwbangma nuklayo copyright khlai jajagyang laimani ba hunlai mani ba hayake tam hnai romui tlangui kaisa judge khlaimani amti hairok nuklaikha copyright o YouTube sini sana thangke sung Kokborok ni sana thangke kwbangma tongo uwaisapuruno ang bumung sana thanglia uwaisapuruno buini video slamui as a video malik rok jajagyangui bono judge khlaimani amtui hairok nugo copyright buini content use khlaima bagui amono what is copyright ba how to avoid copyright or copyright ni baike avoid khlainani baike bachiwi tongnani YouTube as a YouTube creators aboni tui salainai actually copyright sungke abo amtino je jodi no nini YouTube video ba YouTube channel on norok creator ngi tongke YouTube channel on norok buini video upload khlai reke abono copyright ngi thangka afruno copyright ngi thangka buini video nijini video slamaya buini video romdi album movies rongni clips slamui edit khlai dairkha amtui dair fruno afruni simino copyright ngi thangka je kunu video buini video mane abo copyright no ungkha khajani ta koktai buksong amon bagui copyright ni bachina hangke buini video ba album phuno ungthung abo rokno norok niji creators ngi tongkhe nijini video no slamdi buini video download khlai upload khlaike abo copyright romjagi thangko ba waisa copyright phayango by chance so but copyright are those copyright hangke abono je buini video no norok download khlai upload khlai rakha afruno copyright hangka so how to avoid from copyright at Kokborok mic channel you have seen many videos Kokborok mic channel norok nukhana videos kwbangma buini album rok upload khlaio top 10 top best rok khani khlaio Kokborok mic channel of course norok nukhana but Kokborok mic channel has not get any copyright strike Kokborok mic channel taksuk joratui buini video upload download khlai puno copyright maya ko taksuk joratui je video tongmani khajani takoktai bukhokchong so how does Kokborok mic channel does not get copyright content Kokborok mic channel tangi copyright content maya tamni hingke aro process norok nukhna Kokborok mic channel lo buini video download khlai upload khlai mani bini system tongo nainai di puila video phaya sini no tamo Kokborok mic channel ni owner introduce khlaio ba credit ruo ba borong ni hard work no credit ba sonman rma bagui je video bo namani download khlai upload khlai mani video ni owner rok appreciate khlaio naila nang credit rkha borom rkha bongni hard work no norok tamhni sanai credit rkha ba sonman rma bagui o je video content malik rok point borok copyright rna musung phuno actually nang buini video na khesoi abo buini video na wi upload khlaike copyright singka haipuno Kokborok mic channel taksuk joratui copyright content as a top 10 top best hani rmani phaya tangi phayangke Kokborok mic channel bo credit ru hard work no bo sonman ru tam hnai respect khlaio credit ru heda buji khna norok credit ruma bagui je video malik borok copyright runa musung phuno riyang ri thangko so in that case you can avoid copyright content so jodi no norok khajani takok tai bukuk song buini video download khlai upload khlai tongkhe norok kisisa credit ready sonman ready hard work no angke je nukmani baksa video rok ba baksa channel rok copyright manui point se romit langjagi judge rok khlaijak utangi judge khlaijak angke bo video buini bo download khlaio tai haino hai o buini video no download khlai upload khlai ro aboni bisingo bo hamia kok sai tongma bagui video onarok sajagyang video onarok sajagya engma bagui copyright content boruo copyright bo khlai rohro plus case file case bo khlai ro abo jelo point thangi man sujakok buini content nakhe nawi hamia rok kuke abo case bo thangi man jail rogo romjak man amon bagui khajani takok tai bukuk song norok copyright content ba norok creator YouTube channel slamui tongkhe buini video download khlai upload ta khlai di download khlai upload khlai puno kisisa credit redi bongni hard work borong no sonman redi as cost khlai mani borok omti khlai kya samun khlai mani bisingo borok omti ke success man kha amti ke introduce khlai borok no credit redi hard work no norok respect redi amti hinke norok video download khlai upload khlai puno video download khlai upload khlai puno norok ni copyright content angla I guarantee amon bagui norok nukna Kokborok mix channel nukna kwbangma video upload khlaijak tongo top 10 top best honai buini video no download khlai upload khlaio haipuno a jaga ta munuk norok credit rmani norok khnao nugo tai you might be very surprised sar dola chongpreng no bono to ang belai ki respect ro tai je video creator slamui tongnai video album borok no abo ang belai ki hambai maro tamni hinke asuk joratui taksuk joratui video album no produce khlai no entertain khlai tongma bagui so mostly sar td dola chongpreng to ang bai chat khlaio bolte bo anu reply ro comments rok so he is very happy with my content ang bini content na phuno bo anu belai ki chajago tangi chajak hingke ang bono respect ro I give him credit so if you download and upload other videos buini download khlai upload khlai ke kisa credit ready hard work rong no tai copyright totally content abono avoid khlaina hingke nijini video slamdi sujakok buini video slamui upload khlai ke copyright manai nijini video berai mani phunu ungthung jes punung thung nijini video hingke copyright content manglak tai hai nijini video ba nijini on video phuno copyright content phai mano by chance bahai ke phainai hingke jefru nung nini content phuno rui rukha hai phuno gan buini ngi thangke buini music ba buini gan aro add khlai ro ke copyright content ngi mano sana thangke Kokbrogo as copyright content rok to nukjagya hai phuno Hindi English international by recognized hingke abo copyright anyhow nini video wo manai so copyright content tongkhe nini channel ba norok ni channel video rogo as a creator YouTube slam tongnai ro copyright content tongkhe monetization obo problem to so how to apply for monetization abo ni tuibo video slamnai norok nai tongdi YouTuber rok no ang help khlainai sujakok je ang experience mani manjak mani norok no share khlaiano so how I succeed bahike ang aborok no overcome khlai taksuk joratui basai tok aboni tui norok no YouTuber rok no ang help khlainai norok ta wanadi Kokborok bai ekdom poriskar bujinai jatkhe norok no explain khlainai tai ang kha khlaio taksuk joratui YouTube related videos lamani borok rok kwbangma buji khana hnai tai comment rok kam kaham no mano so I will be helping with Kokborok bai kaham ke bujoknai kaham ke help khlainai sujakok so copyright ni content avoid khlaina hangke nijini video slamdi nijini on video slam puno hai buini music rock add taradi direct no copyright music rock add khlaimano kono problem krui so copyright tongkhe monetization nibo problem tongo rang ajinani YouTube aboni tuibo problem tongo amon bagui copyright jesuk kri khlaimano nini channel o asuk do kaham so khaklayo norok o content ba o video no bujikhana hnui tai copyright avoid khlaina hangke norok saimang khana buini video upload ta khlaidi tai jodi no video upload khlai tongkhe credit rudi sonman rudi respect rudi so in that case nini video ro copyright ni basi wi tongi mana nang ang khaklayo haipuno the main thing if you want to avoid copyright avoid khlaina hangke nini nijini video slamdi direct kebono no copyright rimaya so that is the case so khaklayo norok video no chaja khana hanai jodi no hain hai o video no chaja ke like runani tapokdi tai o channel no norok subscribe khlaya kongke o channel no subscribe khlai ru bell icon no siniridi tamni hingke subscribe khlai bell icon no sinir ke je from tu hai naithotok videos o channel o tai helpful videos o channel o upload khlayo afruno norok notification manana tai hain hai bo topic ni tui YouTube related ba je kuno topic ni tui videos labnai norok comment box o comment khlai sadi tamni hingke comment box norok ni bagino faide hingke tini ni bagi asung situng jotono no Hambai.